If your Nintendo Switch home button isn't working, it's usually caused by system glitches, controller miscalibration, or dust buildup under the button. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step and get your home button working like normal again. So let's get started. Fix 1. Reboot your Switch. First, hold the power button on your Switch for about 5 seconds. Select Power Options in the menu, then tap Restart. After the restart, test the home button again. If it still doesn't work, try the next fix. Fix 2. Test in handheld mode. If you're using a Pro controller or detached Joy-Con, try switching to handheld mode. Attach your Joy-Cons to the Switch to look it up. This helps you check if it's a controller issue or a console issue. If the home button works while attached to the Switch, your other controller may need a reset or repair. Fix 3. Reset the controller. Your Joy-Cons have a reset button, and you will find them if you detach them from the Switch and look at the inner side of the Joy-Cons. Press the small sync button once, then hold it down for 15 seconds. Wait a few seconds, then press any button to turn the controller back on. This resets any unresponsive behavior without losing any settings. See if the home buttons is working for you. Fix 4. Check for system or controller update. From your Nintendo home screen, go to the system settings. Scroll all the way down to controllers and sensors. On the right side, find and tap Update Controllers to install the latest firmware. Once that is done, scroll down to System. Select System Update to check for your software version as well. A lot of users fix their home button issue with just a firmware refresh. But if all these solutions do not fix the problem, you can at least use the home button's function with another button. To do that, go to System Settings. Scroll all the way down to Controllers and Sensors. Open Change Button Mapping. Select the controller you're using and tap Change. Try remapping the different function to the home button. For example, you can select the Y button as the home button's alternative and hit Done in the corner to save your changes. After that, the Y button will function as the home button. Now, this is just an alternative way to survive. If you want your home button back, I recommend going to a repair shop for help, as they'll be able to provide a better solution. In any case, thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and take care.